Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week, and I really hope you guys enjoy. All of these items that we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. I will also have two additional links that say tools and tools continued. Those are going to be two links that you can go to that it's basically a long list of items that I've went over in the past or other items that I suggest. So that's all there for you guys. But today, the first item is from Bowen, not a brand that I don't think I've ever looked at before, but I came across these when I was just searching for other tool deals, and these aren't on sale right now, but I just wanted to mention them because I had never seen them before. I've seen universal impact sockets, I've seen universal sockets, I've seen, a few different types of universal tools, but I don't think I've ever seen universal impact rated Torx. So I wanted to just mention this, even though this isn't on sale. If you guys have seen these from another brand, or maybe you've heard of this brand and used it, let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. But this is an 8-piece set, T30, 40, 45, 47, 50, 55, 60, and 70. So your larger sizes, especially since they're impact rated. But I thought it was a cool idea because there are a lot of times where you need that at an angle, and sometimes it can be a pain. Now, impact ones at an angle, I mean, that's going to be sketchy. I mean, I thought it was a cool idea. If they hold up fine, that'd be fantastic. They are chromoly steel. Comes on a nice little rail. They do have SAE hex and metric hex as well. Nice large laser markings on the side. 360 degrees of swivel. I mean, I hope so. This is the ultimate gift choice for your loved ones. Father's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving. Glad they threw that picture in there. I feel like in both of these situations where they're using this tool, it is unnecessary to be using this tool. Gotta love pictures. Gotta love the pictures. But let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.8 stars, 27 ratings. Next up is another Bowen product. After I found that set, I wanted to see, kind of what else they had. They don't have a whole lot, but this one seemed priced pretty well. This is their 3/8 drive impact socket set, 48 pieces, both metric and SAE. The metric goes from 8 to 22. The SAE goes from 5/16 to 3/4. They are 6-point, both shallow and deep. It does include a couple extensions, a 3-inch and a 6-inch, and they are chromoly steel. You also get a universal and an adapter, 3/8 to 1/2 inch. And they do have a coupon to bring it down to $80 from the original $90 price. There are some skips, or I guess I should say a skip. It skips 20 in the metric. I honestly like that the size markings are in yellow. It makes it really easy to see. There's an overall image of everything included. And another thing I noticed is these ones are actually neck down, like your kind of not higher end, but the super cheap impact socket sets, they'll kind of do a conical shape at the top. It'll just be a taper. They don't actually neck them down like this for the 8, 9, and 10. So it does actually have that, so you can get in kind of a little tighter spaces. I do like that design. They also have it on the 5/16 and 3/8. So I mean, it doesn't look like a bad set. And for $80, I don't think it's a terrible set. This one has 4.6 stars at 41 ratings. Next up, we have the Gearwrench 3-piece indexing pry bar set. It includes the 8-inch, 10-inch, and 16-inch. They also have an extendable one. You can also buy these individually. Looks like they range from $27 up to $36 for these three here. And then they also have a larger one at $52 and an even larger one at $66. And then they also have a 2-piece set at $49. I don't think this is a bad price. It's at $55, down from a typical price of $63. And just looking at the pricing, it sat for a long time at $81.48. Then it dropped to $63, and now it's at $55. I think that's a good deal. These indexing pry bars can be really handy, but like I said, they do have an extendable one as well. I think it's a little bit more expensive, but those are really nice. Just being able to get different angles on something to help lift or move things, fantastic. So this one has 4.6 stars, 2,419 ratings. Next up, another Gearwrench product. This is the 6-piece oil canister socket set. So there are tons of engines out there now that use the canister style oil filter, and just like my old car that had the Ecotech, you couldn't get a normal size shallow socket in there to work on it, and then trying to get a wrench in there on it, because they are larger sizes, so that typically the wrench is larger as well. It just made it really awkward, and most of the time you're working with like a plastic housing. You just need a set for at home. This is $24.64, down from a typical price of $29, so still not priced bad, even at the typical price, but a great variety. So if you got your own vehicles that you want to take care of, this is a good price for that. Or even if you're in the professional field, there's not a whole lot of torque that go into these. They are impact rated, so I mean they're built. You should never have an issue with these unless you are using these on larger fasteners outside of oil canisters. But it does sit at that typical price of about $29, and this set specifically has 4.8 stars, 2,030 ratings.
We're having an issue with your Google business listing.
Spam. Next up, we are looking at the Grip Mat Plus Grip Mat. It's a duo set. You can get 3-piece sets, 4-piece sets, or individuals. This is the duo set at $34, down from a list price of $40. I picked one up before Black Friday, I believe. It was down to like $11 or $13 or something like that. There are tons of off-brand knockoff ones out there at a very affordable price that are solid options as well. I wanted to try out the actual Grip Mat one though, and so I picked up this smaller one that you see on the right, and it is available in multiple different color options as well. This is just the green. I got it in the gray, and they are actually extremely handy. I use them on my workbench. But the Grip Mat brand is a little bit more expensive than some of the other brands out there, but still a very solid option, especially if you can catch them on sale. And this has 4.7 stars at 12 ratings. But here's just like one of the other brands out there that sell very similar items, same idea. This is at $35, down from a list price of $37. This is a 3-piece set, so obviously you get a larger one, and you got some different compartments. You know, it looks like it holds some sockets in this one, and then some bits in the other one. But these things are actually pretty nice. I'm surprised I never picked one up sooner. As you can see here, there are just tons of other brands out there. WorkPro has some. They got some with magnetic sections as well. Duratech, OEM tools, brands you've never heard of. Tons of them sell. This has 4.8 stars, 874 ratings. Next up is the Knipex Cobra with the extended nose. They're just elongated. I want to say I've seen these drop as low as $34 or $36, but the list price is $57.72. It's down to $39.18 right now. And I think I'm going to pick one of these up just because I love Knipex. Made in Germany, always makes some good quality pliers. And these have some really cool features. I like the extended nose. I like it's kind of hard to see, but it does have vertical teeth up top. You got a little groove down below. That's going to help you grab certain clips or clamps, fasteners. I mean, I really like the design of these. Just another solid option from Knipex. Looking at previous pricing, when it was new, it was $57. It dropped to about $45, $48, then $43. I do believe for a short time it was, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I was looking at a different pair, but I swear I saw these around like 36 to 37, something like that. If you've never used Knipex, I'm not saying you got to buy these, but definitely check out the brand. They have tons of really good high quality options. And I probably have like 10 or so pairs of Knipex and haven't been disappointed by a pair yet. So definitely a good solid option. Let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.6 stars, 50 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a set of Channellock. This is their 12-inch V-jaw tongue and groove plier. So they have their standard jaw, and then they got their V-jaw. And this one is down to just under $25 from a list price of $27. So a little bit of savings. They got their 10-inch at $20, and they got their 6.5-inch at just under $15. So a few different size options available. Channellock's just a reliable USA-made set of pliers. They make a lot of solid options. A lot of them aren't your fancy pliers. They do have some with like button locks and things like that, but it's kind of just your more generic classic plier designs, just reliable, built tough. And here you can see just a little bit of information on it. There you can see forged US steel, 100% made in the USA. Always like to see that. So honestly, even though this is on sale, I think if you wait, we're going to see it back around that like 22. It's actually $21 and some change. So it's basically $22 that we'll see it at. Obviously, I don't think $25 is a bad deal for this, but it never really sells at 27. Definitely another solid option for a Pliers brand. I think Knipex and Channellock both make some fantastic stuff. Channellock surprises me a lot, though, because they have a lot of USA-made pliers, and the price is still very reasonable. So this has 4.7 stars, 2,807 ratings, so rated very highly and rated a lot. But that is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. Let me know your guys' thoughts or some other deals that you've found this week. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time.